Hello students, this is question number 9 of exercise 13.1 of the chapter surface areas and volumes. The question is, a wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder. Means a solid cylinder is given to us, and we according to the question the two hemisphere are taken out from that given solid cylinder. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter, yes, this is the height, and its base is of radius, that is the radius that is of 3.5 centimeter. Yes, so 3.5 centimeters the radius is. Find the total surface area of the article. Yes, so now we need to find out the total surface area. Again, this is the combination of the two solids, that is, even we can say the 3-1, but the two solids are of the same shape, that is of the hemisphere. So let me explain the question again for you. This is an important question also for the board point of view. The cylinder is given to us, and the two hemisphere solid cylinder is solid cylinder means it is not a hollow. There is, suppose it is made up of iron or a wood or anything, but it is solid one. Yes, and the two hemispheres are just like scooping, just taken out properly hemisphere from the above and the below base. Yes, now we have to find out the total surface area for this given article. Now we can see if we see after taking out the hemisphere, we can see there are so many surfaces are there. Means curved surface area of the cylinder, and from above if we can see the hemisphere surface, and from below we can see the hemisphere surface. So we will write the equation for this. Yes, so how we can find out the total surface area of article, that is equal to, see, curved surface area of cylinder, yes, plus twice. Why I am taking twice? Because two hemispheres are there, twice curved surface area of hemisphere. Yes, let's put the formula. That is equal to, curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH plus twice into curved surface area of the hemisphere is, that is equal to 2 pi r square. Yes, so we can take the 2 pi r common, that is equal to 2 pi r, and here h plus 2 r, 1 r is there. Yes, let's put the values. So 2 into 22 upon 7, and r is already given, that is 3.5 plus h, that is given to us 10, plus twice into the radius, that is equal to 3.5. So 7 1 is 7, 7.5 is 3.5. Yes, so we have left with 22 into 2, that is equal to 44 into 0.5, and 10 plus 2 into 3.5, that is equal to 7. 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, plus 1 7, so 10 plus 7. So we have 44 into 0.5 into 10 plus 7, that is equal to 17. Now multiply this, and we have got 44 into 17 5s are, that is equal to 85, that is 8.5, and we will multiply 44 into 8.5, we will get 374 centimeters square. Yes, so it's important as well as easy also, because let's repeat the question, just revise it. Cylinder is given to us, we have taken out the two hemisphere from the end points, so we need to find out the total surface area of the remaining solid. So why we are adding, the question arises in the students mind, and that we have taken out the hemisphere, so why we are adding this? Just imagine the solid, that when we have taken out the hemisphere, we got the surface in the shape of hemisphere, and we need to find out the total surface area, means we have to find out the surface area for the all the surfaces that we could see of the any given article or any solid. So when we are taking out, so don't think that we need to subtract, we have to add, because the new surface is adding to that given solid. Yes, so here also 2 pi rs, that is the curved surface area of the cylinder, plus, because 2 hemisphere is there, 2 into 2 pi r square, and the radius is already given 3.4, and the height is 10 centimeter. We have put the value and we have got the result, that is 374 centimeter square. I hope it is very clear to you. Thank you, students.